In this wicked age of iron, we have become contaminated through our sinful and destructive acts. Through our wickedness we have corrupted our bodies and our spirits. Our very being is ridden with miasma. Because of our wickedness we have distanced ourselves from Astraea. In order to become closer to the gods we must purify our bodies and our hearts. We must undergo purification to prepare ourselves for the return of Astraea. We will provide instruction on how to purify yourselves for the new age. First you must purify your mind. Breathe and meditate to calm your mental faculties until you're at peace. Then you must ritually purify yourself. Here's how to perform the ritual. First you will need a bowl of clean water and salt. Preferably sea salt. Then you will need a bay leaf or verbena, a stick of frankincense or myrrh will do as well, and a candle. Light the candle in honor of Hestia. This will be your hearth candle. Take 3 pinches of salt and place it in the water, then stir. Then take your bay leaf, verbena or incense and light it on fire. Then place it into the bowl of water. Be careful when working with fire. As you mix fire with water, utter this prayer. By Lady Astraea, Divine Virgin the gods adore, in thy name may this water be holy and pure. After making the water holy, sprinkle the water on yourself as you say. By Lady Astraea, I make myself pure, by the waters of heaven I am reborn. I am pure. I am pure. As you sprinkle and anoint yourself, imagine being bathed in Astraea's purifying light. After having purified yourself, thank Lady Astraea for her divine grace. You are now purified for the Assembly of Astraea and are ready to perform her work on earth. We will provide further instruction on how to prepare for Astraea's arrival. But for now rejoice, for you are purified.